Hi everyone and welcome. In this video I will be showing you how to change page size in Canva. So it is actually pretty easy. So you can see we have various options, like for example if we have file and we have create a new design, upload, and various other stuff. So we also have an option of resize here. I'm going to be clicking onto this option and you can see, let's just say I want a custom size. I want it to be maybe 1000 by 1000, something like this, and click on copy and resize. Then it is going to be taking a moment. Make sure that you have your premium account for this one, and once I click onto this option you can see it's going to be copying that. So our design is now copied and we have our 1:1 aspect ratio ready, so we can use this one. And yeah, I hope this is going to be helping you guys out. So that is pretty much it on how you can change page size in Canva.